Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to increase Bixby volume in Samsung. So if you set up Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to increase the volume while communicating with Bixby, like when you say, "Hi Bixby, what's today's date?" So, does it seem like this Bixby is not talking? Of course it is talking. This is because the volume level is really low. So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase this volume level. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to increase Bixby volume, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Sounds and Notification. Then once you select Sounds and Notification, scroll down, locate volume, and then click on it. On that volume, locate Bixby voice. Now, to increase the Bixby voice, all you need to do is increase the Bixby voice volume level. Then when next you say, "Hi Bixby, what's today's date?"
Today is Monday, February 17th.
You see that? So that is going to help you to increase the Bixby volume on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So that is basically how to increase Bixby voice volume in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.